for listening to this short video on how to run sample student as well as the interpretation. One sample student test is the test in which one variable in which you are going to test if whether or not the mean of the sample is equal to a certain value. So, for example, in this database, we have many information, including the age of the patient in our database, and we are going to test if whether or not the mean is equal to a certain value. For example, 30. Make one sample student test in SPSS. Just go on analyze. When you are on analyze, go on compare mean, and there are many options here, and just choose one sample student t-test. So you click on one sample t-test. The first step is to select the variable that you are going to test. Highlight this variable and use this arrow to put it into test variable section. So while you have put your variable in variable test variable section, you should choose the value mean that you are going to test for. So here I'm going to test if whether or not mean of my sample is equal to 30 years. So as I have put here the test value, the value 13, I can just click on OK. The result of my test here. So we have many information in the variable age, which is 443 person in the sample. We have the mean, which is mean of 35.22. We have the standard deviation. So a very interesting table that we are going to use in order to analyze and find the conclusion of the test is the second table here, which gives the t-statistic of negative 15.62. The degree of freedom is 442, and here is the p-value in the third column of our table. Fourth column of our table, we have the p-value, which is 0.000. P-value is less than 5%, meaning that we should reject the null hypothesis, which say that the mean of our sample is equal to 30-year-old. So we cannot accept the fact that our mean of our sample is 30-year-old. So let us choose for a test value just to 25. So you have seen that mean of our sample was close to 25-year-old. So we click on OK. In this second analysis, you can notice that our p-value is just equal to 0.459, which is significantly more than 5%, which means that we can just, in this case, accept it. The null hypothesis say that mean is equal to 25. So in this case, we have accept the null hypothesis. So that's it for this tutorial. We hope it very well help you understand how to perform one sample student test in SPSS.